is bag number 9. So, meron tayo ditong kilted cylinder sling bag. This one is in very good condition and super light, new, black na black, walang flaws. Ito yung kanyang hardware, gold na gold pa. Ayan, walang backpack yung kanyang leather dyan. Same with the bag. Super light new pa yung kanyang leather, wala yung backpack. Ayan, ito yung kanyang side. Meron siya dyang metal type. Ayan. And then, ito yung kanyang closure. Metal closure siya. Ayan yung kanyang loob. Super light new, malinis, and maganda. Black na black and makapal din yung kanyang leather. So, pwede itong pang parties, outside, pang gala, or pang formal events, whatever. Ayan. Pa-code dito ng chain for only 300 pesos.